guys, welcome back to Steffi D Creates. We are getting ready for spring and I'm so excited. Are you excited? If you're excited, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notifications bell so you never miss out on a Steffi D Creates video. Let's get into what we're making today for spring. I love spring and flowers and growing things. I don't have a green thumb, but I'm hoping that by making some really cute gardening decorations that it'll help inspire me to be able to grow some more. So today we're gonna be making these super cute inspirational planters, farmhouse style. You can put any kind of saying on here. I have plant love, let's grow. I love this project. There's so much creativity in it. And even if you don't end up using them for planting, you can put them on your desk and put your pens in them or anything that you'd like. Put a fake plant in them. No one will know. I've gotten away with it for a really long time. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below if you want to make these super cute planters too. I can't wait to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. Terracotta pots in any size, white acrylic paint, jute or twine, a foam brush, a hot glue gun, small alphabet stickers, and a paper plate or cupcake liner. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our first layer of paint on our terracotta pot. And like I said, you can use any size that you want, but I'm gonna demonstrate on the tiny one because the tiny one's so cute and adorable. So we're gonna do a really little one and then you can replicate on a bigger one if you'd like. Take your paper plate or cupcake liner and squeeze your paint onto it. You're gonna need a good amount, so go ahead and put a good squeeze on there. Take your foam brush, dip it in, and we're gonna completely cover the pot with the white paint. Make sure it's nice and even, and you can even cover the top too. Even though we're gonna be covering it in twine, I like to paint it just to have it covered in case there's some see-through. Make sure your coat of paint is nice and even and you don't have any missing spots. But don't worry if it's not super thick, we're gonna do a second coat. Once you've completely painted it all the way around, you're gonna let this sit and dry for about an hour. When your first coat has dried, we're gonna go back in and do a second coat, making sure that our paint is nice and thick and you can't see the terracotta shining through. If you're going for an even further farmhouse look, chalk paint is a really good idea for this. It gives it a more rustic look. Go ahead and let this dry for at least another hour or until it's fully dry to the touch. When your paint has completely dried, we're going to add the jute to it. So taking your hot glue gun and your jute right at the bottom of the lip. We're using the terracotta pots because they have the lip on them and it's easier to add the jute on there. So at the bottom of the lip, we're gonna add a small dab of hot glue and dip the end of the jute right into it. Careful you don't burn yourself, and press it on in there. Then we're gonna wrap the twine all the way around the base of the pot. Now, for this first layer, I like to add hot glue along the way. You won't need to do it for the rest of them, but to give it a good base for all of the twine to lay on, I like to do a little bit of hot glue along the way. So a turn down the pot, we add a little dab of hot glue, press it in there and let that dry. And working our way around the pot. This also helps make sure that your twine stays in a nice even line and it's not gonna get all askew. When you've gone around it once, then just keep wrapping the twine on top of each other all the way around until you get to the top. When you've gotten all the way up to the top and you can't fit any more twine on there, go ahead and cut your twine off and add a little dab of hot glue to secure the end. This is so cute. I love this project. The last thing that we're going to do is we're going to decorate it with some lettering. You can put any saying you want on here. I like love grows here or grow with me, plant love, anything like that. I'm gonna put love grows here because that's one of my favorites. So taking your stickers and one by one, just adding them. You can get the stickers in different fonts, different styles. Just make sure that the size is equivalent to the size of your pot. Now I have my saying on here, and the coolest thing about this project is you can do it in any different style. So I also found some plastic pots that I made this out of. You can even do it in a big hanging pot, and instead of jute, I got some rope and put that on top. I just love this project. See, look, and then you can hang it. This is such a great idea for spring to get you planting. You fill these with either plants if you actually want to grow a garden. You can even just use them on your desk, put a succulent in them. Totally up to you. Enjoy. Aren't these super adorable? I just love these. I hope you did too. They're so easy to make. That's why I've made them in every style and every size, because I just want to put them all over my house. I think these would be a really cute addition to my doorstep if I'm able to keep some flowers alive long enough. If you liked today's video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up so I know you liked it. If you want to see more gardening type videos or farmhouse style decor, put it in the comments below so I know what videos you want to see. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffydcreates.com. Links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below so you can make them too. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest for behind the scenes information, updates, tips and tricks, so much more on there. And sign up for my newsletter. I will have the link in the comments below so you can sign up for the Steffi D Creates newsletter and get the videos and more DIYs and life hacks right to your inbox. It's really awesome, so don't forget to click that link. We have so many more spring videos coming out for you. I can't wait to share them. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.